Performance. Here is the new OnePlus 15T. Here, compared to the OnePlus 13T. Is it worth the extra price? Watch this. Let's begin. The OnePlus 15T just launched. I bought the 12GB 256GB version for teardown. The phone feels very compact. Easy to hold. Now let's compare the design. OnePlus 13T versus OnePlus 15T. Side by side. Size is almost the same. Thickness too. The biggest change is the flash. Previously separated. Now it's integrated. Cleaner look. The back panel feels better. More premium. Smooth and solid in hand. The frame is improved. Micro-oxidation process. Pure white finish. Very clean design. Nice look. Only issue is the front frame. Black white would look better. Still looks good overall. Bezels are thinner. Nice upgrade. Now the display. Important part. 120 Hz before. Now 165 Hz. Big improvement. Apps can control refresh rate, but most stay at 120 Hz. Only games use 165 Hz. Now let's check the camera. Main upgrade is telephoto. 3.5x telephoto lens. But during testing, something interesting happened. Macro mode appears. Main camera takes close shots, not telephoto. Turn macro off. Telephoto works normally. OnePlus 13T handles close shots better, but 15T is better at distance. That's the difference. Depends on your usage. Macro or telephoto. Your choice. Now let's move to teardown. Micro-oxidation coating. Ceramic layer. Internal build of OnePlus 15T. Rate this. Out of 10. Workmanship looks solid. Mid-range flagship level. Remove the motherboard cover. Let's take a closer look. Speaker is integrated here. 1012 specification. Ambient light sensor included. On the flash and infrared module here. And fully equipped. 50W wireless charging coil. Big upgrade over 13T. 13T had no wireless charging. Do you use wireless charging? Now remove cameras. Camera wiring covered with heatsink. Good protection. Nice design. Front camera same as 13T. 16 megapixel. Main camera unchanged. IMX906 sensor. Used in many phones. Reliable sensor. Now telephoto. Take a look. Reverse telephoto design. Longer light path. Better zoom distance. 50MP JN5 sensor. Up to 7x zoom. Big camera upgrade. If you want performance only, 13T is still good. Price is much lower now. Around 2,000 yuan. Much cheaper than 15T. Over 1,000 yuan difference. Big gap. Quality is still reliable. Official checks done. Remove motherboard screws. Lift motherboard. Check build. Rubber protection on cables. Insulation on connectors. Motherboard removed. Hollow frame under processor. Direct VC contact. Double layer motherboard. Compact design. SoC sits here. Space is tight. Normal design. Now the chipset. Latest flagship processor. LPDDR5X and UFS 4.1. Very powerful. Gaming chips included. Network and touch chip. Great gaming experience. Now bottom section. Split into two parts. Vibration motor here. Looks like 0809. Small but decent. Good enough. Bottom speaker is large. Full metal housing. Dust protection foam. 1115 speaker unit. From AAC. Compare with 13T. Sound test. Play audio. Listen carefully. Hear the difference? Better sound output. USB 2.0 port. 100W charge fast enough. Now battery. TearDxn supplier. Single cell design. Dual interface charging. 7,500 mAh battery. 1,300 mAh increase. Huge capacity. Very impressive. Same battery size as the 13T. Maybe battery upgrade is possible.